That's no good, is it? Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick video on some items I got from Amazon. They mostly relate to camera stuff, so no forward driving, I'm afraid. Anyway, we're not allowed to do any, are we? Not allowed to have any fun. Okay, package from Amazon. That's a GoPro Hero 5 microphone adapter and GoPro Hero 7. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is upgrade the audio, because it takes a long time to wear the audio from the GoPro because all the noise, every time the case gets tapped, you get a problem. So see if this will solve it. It's a bigger case from Artman. I got a battery charger too before, so because I'm a guy I don't have to read the instructions. It's the last thing we do, isn't it? Okay, why is it so difficult? Oh, it slides. God, I should have read the instructions. Should have read the instructions. So it slides. Anyway, this is plastic, as I said, but you can get an aluminium one. But I'll just see how it goes. So that's in there. Oh yeah. Or is it not? Yeah, it is. Okay. Just looked like there's a massive gap. And then this, I've had to already taken the door off because I was using this manually, just sort of dangling it off the side of the GoPro. That's really got to come out here, doesn't it? I think, yeah, okay. Doesn't appear to be a massive issue. And then, microphone in here. And if you want to charge, I imagine you charge it there. Looks pretty good. And I think that's plastic, but it feels pretty tough, so I think it probably will do a good job. Now I've got to try it. Okay, item 2 is this. Can you see that made in China? It's come from China. Well, they said that coronavirus can last for 2 weeks or something on cardboard. Yes, I know I'm going over the top. I actually already opened it. That was me trying to be funny. A car charger for the Mavic Air batteries. So, at the back of the Challenger I've got a cigarette lighter socket, I guess you'd call it. So we'll try that in a minute in the car. These here. These are for batteries. So this one I'm actually utilising it for the GoPro batteries. I've got a few of them, but you can put 2 in each pouch, whereas the Sony batteries, which you can put 1 in per pouch, so these are just about fit anything, any camera battery I guess probably go in there. See, this is what happens when you've got too much time on your hands. You're stuck at home, you buy stuff. This is a case for micro SD and SD cards, so they go in like that. But because these things are so small, I'm always losing them, so I think I'll probably store them in the adapters. I think they just about always come with an adapter anyway. Yeah, so that's a case from JJC, that came from China too. As everything was coming from China, might change now. So there we go. We've had a bit of a spend-a-thon. I'll try this one in the car anyway. kind of see the first problem there, can't you? The dead cat on the microphone is sort of hanging in front of the lens. See that? That's no good, is it? But I need it on because it's quite windy here. Anyway, I'll see if I can sort that out. I thought that the Rode mic, that the mic holder is too, it bounces too much. So what I've done for now is I've taken the dead cat off. Put that there. Point it down a bit. One on, two on. Plug her in. Okay, yeah, so they're going. They're both charging at once, which is good. And that's an adapter to a USB-C. Sorry, that way. Yeah. Okay, no, it's charging. Okay, so they're all going. So these are all charged. So what I'll do, put a battery in. Okay, turn that one on. It's actually got the GPS up, ready to fly. It's the day after I charged the batteries in the back of the Challenger, and I've just tested them out in the drone, no problem. Anyway, so the drone batteries worked okay, the drone charger worked okay, so obviously that's gonna be useful on a trip, especially if you're away for a few days. Next week, suspension and the bull bar are getting done, so I'll probably do sort of a combined video about those. And other than that, we just have to stay safe. I know it's a bit boring, but what can you do? Eventually it's going to finish. I mean, the signs are looking good already. That their early intervention and early action, and quite strong action, has sort of helped. So praying that the coronavirus is going to end soon and we better get back outside. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.